and welcome back to Tracy Lifestyle Thursdays with the one and only Tracy Lifestyle. Today, y'all, it's Tracy Lifestyle Thursday. So you know what that means. Random. What are the scissors for? No, we're just gonna open this together. We're gonna open this together. Cause it's BOXY charm, uncharming time. Unboxing time. Today, y'all, we're gonna be unboxing BOXY charm cause ooh, girl, I just got this in the mail. If y'all don't know what BOXY charm is, it's wonderful makeup that you can get for under 30 bucks a month. And it's like the expensive makeup, not the boo-boo makeup like, you know, where you get at the Dollar Tree or Walmart or whatever. Here we go. Sometimes I like to keep the boxes as like, cause like I haven't invested yet to like a whole vanity and all that, even though I seem like I do or would, you know, but I haven't. And sometimes I would like
to like organize things.
I'm those people that I like to keep everything in their boxes, or like I like just put everything laid out like next to each other and stuff, so it's like visible and easy to like grab. But sometimes like I'll keep the box, right, so that way I can like cut it all nice and pretty. And then I'll, you know, make it into like a thing where I can like put stuff in it. And with these, sometimes I cut off the sides to do that and just keep it as a box to like hold things in. But other times, all I do is just cut the little seal right there. And then I just keep it like this. Though this is extreme, so okay. The boxes change all the time too, so we got to open. And the first thing I grabbed was Dr. Brandt's. I do like the products very much. Good skincare stuff, okay? This is a hold on, let me read it first. Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. Well, god darn it. That sounds good. Okay. I like the packaging, it's cute, and you see what it says, right? Beautiful. Great. Back in the box. The sun's like setting right now, so if I look dark, my bad. All right, and then you, of course, you get your cute little notes or whatever it is. I never read them. Sometimes I do if it like catches my eye or something, but I never read them. Oh, we got a new palette. And this is a big bubble thing, so it doesn't make that cute popping noise. But I will keep it for my little 5-year-old to play with because she likes to pop things just like her mom. Okay, that's out of my system. So this is a Tarte palette. Awesome, awesome. This is a, what, eyeshadow, huh? High Performance Naturals Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. Wow, that's a mouthful. Face Shaping Palette. So is it like contour and eyeshadow? Let's see. This is what I'm looking at. It says diffuse cat eye and bold brow. Apply ember to get this look right here. I don't know how I feel about that. That looks a little bit too rusty and edgy and kind of ugly to me. But that's a look. Let's open this. Ooh, nice colors. Good neutral tones. Ah, they're trying to be like Too Faced now. Oh, that smells. That smells good. It smells like chocolate. Is it, what is it diffused with? Gosh, that smells great. But they're probably not made out of chocolate, huh? I don't know. Excuse if I look fat. I'm sitting at a weird angle. I don't know if you want me to like, oh, so yeah, these would be bronzers, huh? Heck yeah. I like the colors. Oh yes. I'm gonna do a makeup look. My buttercup friend tomorrow. That's what I call it, buttercup. But I'm gonna do a little look for her tomorrow, so maybe I'll use one of these. I don't know. I love all these colors. They're very nice neutral tones. Love it! Love the mirror. Can start my song. Here, you want me to try one of these on right now? This one's the darkest one. Timber! Oh, yeah. That's nice and dark. Goodness gracious. Huh? Yeah. Very nice color though. I ain't gonna lie. For a strong contour and stuff, you know? Oh, why not? Yeah. I'm actually using the Tarte palette, Pro palette or whatever, to contour today. So, see how much more defined? It looks kind of splotchy. Oh wow. That's such a cute palette. I love Tarte and all their stuff. I love it. It says Hank and Harry. Slick with it. Is this a liquid eyeliner? Ooh! I've been needing a new one because mine dried out and I haven't been wanting to go to the store to buy a new one. That's gorgeous. You see the little fine tip? This is black though, right? Because I don't want brown. I mean, I'll wear it, but no, yeah, Blickety Black. That's a cute name. We'll do a tutorial with this pen. Promise. And the last but not least, is that all? Really? For reals? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I was like, there has to be one more product. They like skipped me. But no, this one's the 5th. This is a brow pen, microblade effect, okay, in the color taupe, BDB. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's one of those, this I'll try on for you guys. Microblade effect, huh? It's on the right side. Feels nice. It looks, it's pretty cool. I dig it. The last one I was gonna say before I cut off to tripping is a Moda Pro by Royal and Lank Nickel 5-piece deluxe eye kit. Awesome. You see these brushes here. We got the shade brush. They got names on the backs. The crease, the detail, smudge, and the lining brush. Gorgeous. Love it. Awesome. How's everybody been, you know, been going? We got the full moon coming in tomorrow. Friday the 13th. Like I said, I'm going to do my friend's makeup tomorrow for a wedding. Not her wedding, but she's going to a wedding. But she's, you know, I'm gonna do a makeup look for her tomorrow. So let me know in the comments, the girls or the guys, whoever wants to see it. You know, if you want to see me do her makeup on camera. This is an Asian grass jelly drink. And no, I do not like boba. The sun is going down now, so everything looks way more yellow and more vibrant, I guess. But yeah, that was it for our BoxyCharm. I love BoxyCharm, okay? I also get the Ipsy too. I didn't bring that with me though, so it's okay. That's about it for Tracy Lifestyle Thursday. Today was a simple one. Wait for next week's because I'm going to be asking people, random people in public, because I do this already, but now I'm gonna record it, you know, and get their reactions. So wait for more fun videos, you guys. Don't be discouraged. There's gonna be way more to come. As long as you hit that subscribe button. If you already haven't, give this video a thumbs up and comment below for whatever you want to see. And if you do want to see the makeover, or if you're excited for whatever ideas yet to come, I will gladly do it. And I'll see you guys next time.